Welcome. In this video I will show you how to clean iPad Pro M5 screen. To do this, you have to get a microfiber cloth, which is the best choice for cleaning the screen. Also power off your device and make sure that it's disconnected from any other devices like a Apple Pencil or maybe the charger, and gently wipe the screen surface with this microfiber cloth and check how clean it is afterwards. And just in case there are any stubborn smudges, you have to slightly dampen the microfiber cloth with distilled water. Do not soak the cloth or spray water directly onto the screen. Also, be careful and avoid using window cleaners, household sprays, rubbing alcohol, bleach, solvents, ammonia, abrasives, or cleaning products containing hydrogen peroxide, as they all can damage the coating of the screen. And be sure not to let moisture enter any openings like speakers or the previously mentioned USB Type-C port. And after wiping with a damp cloth, use a dry part of the cloth to remove any remaining moisture. And that's basically it. This approach will keep your iPad Pro M5 screen clean without risking damage or scratches. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.